folks. Today is a day where I feel like getting sued. That's right. Court, attorneys, judges, juries, cheerleaders in the back screaming, pain, pain, pain. Because today I'm going to let you guys in on something. It's kind of a secret to a certain company. And many of you guys may know of heard of a pizza company that's been started in Michigan. It's expanding through the U.S. slowly but surely. That's Jet's Pizza. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to make their original Jet bread. Jet bread. Because I decided I got a shitload of dough that I need to get rid of. Because I need to move on to bigger and better things. So, I'm going to use this dough on Jet's bread. And we're going to do it today. I'm going to show you. I'm going to teach you. It's so simple. You know, you're going to say, oh, I can make this. Because you can make it at home. It'll taste just as good. It'll be a lot cheaper too. So, let's do it. Okay, so what Jet's does is they use what they consider to be a large dough ball for their round pizza, which is generally 19 to 20 ounces. And I've got plenty here. I should scale it out. I think I will. I scaled that dough out, and it's right on the money. Right at between 19 and 20 ounces. How lucky. So what we gotta do, now their large pizza is normally 14 inches, but their bread is 12. So I got a 12-inch pizza disc here, and if you look, this cutting sheet that I have, that's 12 inches. So I'm gonna press this dough out to fit that cutting sheet. You just press it out. Get it out as far as you can, and then you'll slap it out the rest of the way. Alright, stretch this out by hand. She's a prime candidate for hand stretching, let me tell you. Look like much, but once we get her on the screen, you'll see what I'm doing. Check her out. Just take her. One good thing about working on a screen too, the screens kind of hold the dough in place when you're stretching it. When you press it down like that, you want to pick it back up because it will get down in those screens and stick. So just kind of lift it up. There you go. Now, one thing else that they put on this thing before they cook it is some cheese, mozzarella cheese. I just happen to have some. There it is. I'm going to use the Rebel. 375. We're going to do it too. Once we get it preheated, we'll slide her in. Alright, she's in the Rebel. I'm going to have to give her a quarter spin about halfway through. It's just the way these things cook. They tend to cook unevenly, so got to be mindful of that. Okay, she's out of the Rebel. Let's cut her up. Now this dough, you don't want to cook it, you know, like a pizza dough. You want it to be soft and chewy. This is how they cut it. Usually will need to use a knife. Pizza knife. I have a couple of them, but they're out in the garage, and I'm not too interested in going out there in a cold frickin' garage. Now that's not the end of it. At home, you can melt down some butter. At Jets, they use a liquid butter alternative, Whirl or Phase. And that's what I'm going to use. It's got that, I don't know, that crazy buttery smell like the theaters give you. Just brush that on. Get it all over good. Oh, get it on there. I could have probably left it in a little bit longer around that crust up, but that's okay. Now, garlic. They don't use garlic powder, which I happen to be using. They use granulated garlic, but I don't have any right now, so I need to use the powdered garlic. And one last treat, gotta put the Parmesan on top. Get that on there good. Don't skimp on that. There we go. Now, that is your Jets original jet bread right there, buddy. That's it. Heat that up. Good. Good. Now, Jets comes with a couple options. You can have a marinara sauce, which is their pizza sauce. Or the thing that people freak out about is Jets Ranch. People go nuts over Jets Ranch. I'm going to show you something about Jets Ranch. Jets Ranch, right there. Hidden Valley Buttermilk Ranch. People go crazy. Now, they don't buy it in the bottle. They make it themselves. You follow the instructions when you get the dry packet. If you follow the instructions on the packet, that's your ranch. The one thing is, though, do not skimp on the buttermilk. Buttermilk is key. Get a good quality buttermilk. I think they use what they call Guernsey Farms buttermilk. Premium stuff. Don't skimp on it. But people, I don't know, like they're addicted to this shit. You know, they're addicted to that Jets Ranch, and they don't realize, well, they don't realize what they're eating. Just Hidden Valley Ranch. That's all it is. It does make it taste good. That's for damn sure, folks. All right. You can make that Jets bread at home. It's nothing. It's no major secret. Make it at home. Cost you, what, $5 at Jets? I can make this at home for like half that. Well, thanks for watching, folks. Come sue me if you want, Jets. Can't get blood out of a termite. Can't get blood out of a... Wait a minute. Either can't get blood out of a turnip or can't get blood out of a termite. I don't know. I don't think either one of them have blood, does it? I don't know. Okay. Thanks for watching.